back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. Today, I am telling you all about my 4 favorite heat transfer vinyls to use during the Halloween season, the spooky season, as we love to call it around here, that you can get on shopantitay.com. We carry all Caesar brand heat transfer vinyl. So let's talk about my 4 favorite heat transfer vinyls. Okay, the first HTV is Brick. I love this stuff. It's kind of like a rubber, but it's raised off of the fabric, and it's kind of like gives you like a Nike feel, or like just a higher quality feel, and it's super, super cool. It comes in a bunch of colors. Reflective is so cool during the season because it just kind of, it's gray, but then when the light hits it, it gives off this really cool shiny look, and I just love it, and it just gives it that wow factor. Puff is a new Caesar brand heat transfer vinyl, and I am obsessed with it. You guys are going to be seeing me use it a lot throughout the holidays, but this stuff is really cool. It's got this funky texture that I'm just living for. I do like neons during the Halloween season as well, like this one. You'll see me dip dye in another video this October. And my final is glow in the dark. It's just white, but then when you go into the dark, it's magical. That's it.